Come test drive the 2020 Toyota 86. The Toyota 86 provides an explosive driving experience. The power and suspension will remind you that you're behind the wheel of a true sports car. Not only does the exterior supply a bold look, but the interior will remind you that you're sitting in a premium vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, security system, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.